The handheld war is no longer a skirmish, it is an all-out revolution. In 2023, the original ROG Ally proved that Windows-based handhelds could actually challenge the Steam Deck's supremacy. But it was flawed. We remember the SD card issues, the battery that died before the first boss fight, and the software that felt like a science experiment. But Asus wasn't sleeping. They were listening, engineering, and waiting. Now, in 2026, the silence has been shattered. This is the Asus ROG Ally 2. And it isn't just a sequel. It is the moment the portable PC finally catches up to the desktop. To understand the ROG Ally 2, you have to look at the heart of the beast, the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. This isn't just another incremental chip. This is the first mobile APU built on the 4nm Strix Point architecture, specifically tuned for handheld gaming. We are looking at 8 cores and 16 threads of Zen 5 power. But the real magic is in the graphics. The Radeon 890M integrated GPU, with its 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units, is a monster. Early benchmarks suggest a 30% to 50% performance increase over the original Z1 Extreme. We are talking about playing Cyberpunk 2077 or GTA 6 at 1080p with high settings, handheld. This isn't just playable. This is a console-grade experience in the palm of your hand. But power is a double-edged sword. If you give a gamer a Ferrari engine, you need a fuel tank to match. The biggest complaint against the first Ally was the 40-watt-hour battery. It was a sprint, not a marathon. The ROG Ally 2 fixes this with a massive 80-watt-hour battery, double the capacity of the original. Combined with the efficiency of the Z2 Extreme Zen 5C compact cores, we are finally seeing a handheld that can survive a cross-country flight. You can actually play AAA titles for 3 to 4 hours without looking for a wall outlet. For the American traveler, the commuter, or the person who just wants to game on the couch without a tether, this is the freedom we've been waiting for. Then there is the window to the soul of the machine, the display. After the success of the Steam Deck OLED, Asus knew they couldn't come back with an IPS panel. The ROG Ally 2 features a stunning 7-inch tandem OLED display, but they didn't stop at 120 Hz. This panel pushes to a 144 Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. The blacks are infinite, the colors are vivid, and with full variable refresh rate VRR support through FreeSync Premium, the stutter that plagues other handhelds is non-existent. When you're moving through the dark corridors of Elden Ring, the atmosphere isn't just displayed, it's felt. But the most shocking leak about the ROG Ally 2 isn't the screen or the chip, it's the Xbox edition. Rumors and FCC filings have revealed a black variant of the Ally 2 with a dedicated Xbox button. This suggests a partnership between Asus and Microsoft that goes deeper than just a Game Pass subscription. We are looking at a handheld mode for Windows 11 that finally feels like a console. No more fighting with a mouse cursor on a tiny screen. No more driver conflicts. This is the Xbox handheld that Microsoft was too afraid to build themselves, powered by Asus hardware. Let's talk about the ergonomics. The original Ally was sleek, but it could feel sharp during long sessions. The Ally 2 takes a